I am Tushar Gupta. I scored 907.8 in my CVT UG. And if I had to give advice, I don't know if I am the correct person for advice, but NCRT should be a focus. Read the NCRT books as much as you can. They really are the Bible. क्योंकि बाकी आपकी जितनी भी टेक्स्ट बुक्स हैं तो उसमें मे बी इन सम एरियाज दे डोंट फोकस इन सम एरियाज दे फोकस टू मच इन एनसीईआरटी most of the questions I found that they really were from NCERT. So there are some things in NCERT, like I'm from ISC, so some of the things were not covered in those books. So you should really focus on NCERT, and after reading the book like one or two times, give mocks as much as you can. Because by giving mocks only you will understand what areas are weak, and then you can go back and revise those areas. What I did was, before boards I focused on just boards, and after giving the boards I relaxed for like 4 or 5 days, and then I started for the CVT. But if I had to advise something today, I would say ki focus on CVT from before boards also, but many of the things will overlap. Like for boards also, you will have to study the graphs and all in economics. And for CVT, you have to understand those graphs to answer the objective questions. So most of the studies do overlap, but you can focus on CVT a little bit before boards or after boards also is fine. So CVT mock, I think unke mocks की quality are actually good. The questions which come in CVT mock are on the same level as the ones which actually come in the exam. And most importantly सही होते हैं इनके आंसर्स. मैंने कई सारे और भी मॉक्स ट्राई करे थे तो कईयों के आंसर गलत होते हैं. Either the answer key itself will be wrong, or या फिर answer key will be correct, but the answers they have marked in their platform will be wrong. So you always have that doubt कि जो आपका score उसमें दिख रहा है, is that true or not, and you need to run every wrong answer through ChatGPT or something. In CVT mock, most of I think I hardly found one or two errors after giving like many hundreds of mocks. So the quality is